If you want something that's valuable, you need something which is difficult to obtain. The fact that you just said you wanted it quick and easily shows that your whole mental model is fucked. You shouldn't be thinking about quick and easy. You should be thinking about hard, suffering, pain, going through it. That's what you should be thinking about. This is going to be hard, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because when it is done, then everyone's going to know that I went through something difficult. Why do you want it to be quick and easy?
You're
Don't
right.
you understand how
it defeats
your mind is?
It defeats.
Your mind is broken. Your mind is broken. I say that life.
Good day, brothers and sisters and shield maidens of all ages, or sorry, appropriate ages for trading. Here we are. There's some daily motivation for you. It's been a long time. Been out of town working on something important, so I can't always put out footage, content. So here I am. I think I've been calling. Okay, so let's break down where I last was. So compared to my last video, we knew that 2400 and 2450 was definitely going to hit. It exceeded expectations. This is gold, by the way. It exceeded expectations as predicted. Nailed it. Now I'm going to break something down for you guys. All right, there we go. We got some drawings going away. And remember, guys, you can find me on YouTube when you get I'm going to be posting larger videos now to break down everything. I'm also going to be exploring some different avenues like meme coins, just all sorts of money, wealth creation methods. But main focus, BTC, gold, oil, as always. Anyways, so where are we? Okay, somewhere to this effect, we were down here. I got stuck in a short position somewhere in there. Flew back down, made profit by our way up. Here we go. Exceeded much profits. However, I did see that drop and think that it was possible, but it was just a stop loss hunt, guys. We know this happens. You know, if you're following my strategy, you're very familiar. So stop loss hunt is essentially just markets do not want you to be rich, so it will drop to a resistance or a boundary barrier where people put their stop losses to, you know. So it's called stop loss hunting. Hits your stop loss, you lose money, trades are out, market continues on. So always, like I said in a couple of videos before, you want to put that a little bit lower so you do not get hit by the stop loss hunt. Okay, moving on from that. So we had a max. I believe we have a new higher high. This is excellent. So we got a beautiful overall trend of everything. Excellent. So here's the part that I want to show you guys and really dive in. All right. So now I've been saying for the last almost every 15 videos, I've been saying this every single time. All right, we're looking for similarities, right? We are looking for similarities because history repeats itself. We see the pump, absolutely. We see the eventual sell off. Perfect. First one, higher high. Excellent. We have an accumulation phase, and then we have the pump, a new higher high. What happens right after, within the couple days, within the few days? The sell-off. You can almost follow it to a perfect T. Now watch. This is the beautiful confirmation of what I'm talking about. Okay, so after that, sell-off, accumulation, retest, grand support, which would be 2280. Very strong support. Do not see it ever breaking that. It's just not happening unless Trump gets into power and the global economy gets a little better. Sure, yeah, absolutely, gold will fall. But as of right now, not so much. Okay, so here we go. Now we're gonna look. I want you guys to see the similarities. All right, we had higher highs, right? I'm talking about these big $100 different pumps, right? Of when the market is inflating, right? The sell-off is all usually within a 2-day span, right? One candlestick, two candlesticks, a little bit of one. I'm going to count that as still testing resistance though. Two candlesticks. See, and when you see these large price action movements, you can see that it will repeat the process. So, lo and behold, where are we right now? I knew that sell-off, regardless of this pump rate here, regardless of that, you follow the statistics. Statistically speaking, that is going to fall. It's going to do the same thing. I'm going to give you an overall prediction, though, guys. I'm kind of making this video on the fly. I just wanted to put something out to keep everybody happy. Hitting this support, I don't think that's strong enough. I do expect a further, maybe a little bounce, but a further fall to 23.50. That is where I'm closing my sell positions, guys, and that is where you're gonna want to go. Okay, overall, what an excellent run, guys. Huge, happy to be a part of. Everybody on my team is very profitable. Yeah. Let's check oil. Okay, so West Texas Intermediate. Okay, so it's essentially the same thing because gold and oil are linked. We're seeing. What are we on? We're on 1 day. Oh yeah, expect a further decline. So I'm probably going to get into this also. We're going to drop this rate to 76, 75. These are going to be your take profits. Take profits. Okay, so you want your take profits there around 76. Because it's going to need to test that. It's going to test that. Round 74. I don't really see it. Like maybe over the course of a bit. Yeah, we could see something to that effect. Maybe even 69. Sure. I don't know. Maybe. We're going to see what happens. It's possible. But overall, remember, we're on day timer. I am seeing a triangle forming. And that usually means, say it with me now, we got accumulation in the market. See, this is over the course of days, guys, so you just remind yourself of that. Okay, so we got accumulation in the market, right? Overall large pumps and sell-offs. What does that do? Spring, and boom, or the opposite. Remember that. Boom. Remember, it's accumulated energy. It needs to go somewhere. And it will follow with a very large price action movement. Be careful. If I had to put a prediction on this, guys, if I had to put a prediction on this, guys, somewhere around 75, have your take profits there. Be safe. Don't be too crazy on this one, guys. It still has a ways to go. Moving on. Okay, so we got BTC. Here it is. That's a beautiful prediction come true. Little period of time. Definitely seeing this bull run over, guys. I always say, who knows with BTC? There's a lot of outside influences and a lot of price action coming from different organizations, people, whatever it may be, the omnious they, right? So beware the man who hunts the stop loss. Like it's kind of like Uncle Sam pointing at you and saying, we need you. You know what I mean? So it's just beware of that. But overall, this is a beautiful time for say it with me now, short position. You guessed correctly. So where would we put it? Somewhere around 56, guys. I wouldn't you could ride it a while. Like if I had to put my money on something, I definitely see over the course of the next couple months, 48. Sure, like I said, the Wyckoff distribution cycle is completely over. This would have been the last pop to prove, and it's not a higher high. This is a lower high. See, lower highs. This is the last pop. It might do some little fake out to prove, or sorry, that's too far. Might do some little fake out to hunt sell position stop loss hunts, but I wouldn't worry too much on that. I would just set it a little higher than normal because the overall direction is downwards. Don't be dumb. Don't be, I'm a bull for Bitcoin. No, just skip all that crap. Just look at it from a statistical point of view. I've showed you in every video, guys, hold on. We got to break this down in 4 hours. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, see that this only confirms what I'm saying much more. So it's something to that effect, guys. The overall direction will be down, even if it pops a little bit over that trend. I stand on it. It's a sell. Just be careful. What else? Okay, sorry. I guess I'll be touching on meme coins and everything too, because essentially this is just for the warning. It's gambling. It's 100% gambling. It's a tiny bit strategic gambling, but I've been diving into a couple things, and it's just the markup or the profits are so incredible that it's hard to say no to. So you want, we're all in that to get rich now kind of thing, and it is kind of like that. But remember, it's just gambling, guys. So I am gonna dive into it a little bit because, but probably in my next video. It's just there's a lot to unload, and I'm probably gonna have to make its own video for it overall. Yeah, so running out of time when it comes to Instagram. So yeah, that's it, guys. As always, trade with confidence. If you're tired of losing profits and you want to keep your portfolio cash flow positive, reach out to me at Talk Margin Trades, or you can DM me for details. As always, good luck.